In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Notebooklm to create YouTube content step by step. Start by opening your web browser and going to the Notebooklm website. Once the page loads and you are on the main dashboard, take a moment to notice the layout. Notebooklm is designed around three main areas that work together: your sources on the left, the chat in the center, and a studio area on the right for creating outputs. Next, create a new notebook. On the dashboard, click the button labeled Create New. This gives you a fresh workspace for a single content project, like one YouTube video idea, a series topic, or research for a script. Naming your notebook clearly can help you stay organized if you plan to make multiple videos. After that, upload your sources. In the pop-up window, select the YouTube sources you want to use so Notebooklm can populate the source panel on the left. These sources are the material Notebooklm will reference when it generates answers and ideas. The more relevant and focused your sources are, the more accurate and useful your results will be. When the sources finish loading, you will see them listed in that left panel, and you can click through them to review what was added. Now move to the chat panel in the center to analyze your sources. Type a question about your topic, like key takeaways, an outline for a video, or a summary of the main points. When Notebooklm responds, it will include clickable citations. Use those citations to jump back to the exact part of the source where the information came from. This is especially helpful for verifying details and keeping your content accurate. Once you have insights you want to keep, use the Save to Note option on any answer. This lets you collect strong summaries, outlines, and important details in one place, so you can build your script faster without losing anything. Finally, go to the Studio panel on the right to generate instant outputs. Click Audio Overview, Slide Deck, or View, depending on what you need. These tools help you quickly turn your source-based research into a format you can refine into YouTube content that covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.